Okay, in this section we're going to look at how we load, annul and view a Walrus card using both cash and contactless methods. So from the main screen we'll select View Card. It will then ask for you to present the card. Now this would be if it was a new card or a preloaded card. So we place the card on the card reader and we'll select Add Product. At the bottom right, Add Product again. Select the ticket which you wish to apply. In this case we'll use the £16 as the example. We'll select that. And in this example we're going to use cash as the method of payment by selecting cash and then Add Product. That £16 ticket has now been loaded to the Walrus card and it has generated the normal receipt that we're used to seeing, which will be given to the passenger. The card should then be presented back to the reader to register the journey. Okay, in this next example, we're going to look at how we would annul. So once again, we'll talk you through the process to load the card. So we'll select View Card, add the card to the reader, Add Product down at the bottom right, select the ticket that you wish to put on the card, cash and Add Product. Now at this point the customer may not wish to go ahead with the sale, therefore we need to annul the transaction. It's very important to note that we don't put the card back on the reader to register the journey. We will go straight into the annulment function, select the ticket at the top, the £16 ticket, and annul, and then confirm the annulment by pressing annul once again. It then prompts you to present the card back to the reader, where it will remove the ticket and it will generate the annulment slip. In this case we can check that the card is definitely blank again by selecting View Card and present the card to the reader, and there we can see that the product has been removed. Now, should a customer wish to check with you when the card or the ticket will run out, we can view that information by selecting View Card, present the card to the reader, and in this section it details what tickets are on that Walrus card. Now we can select that ticket and press Details, and it will give you a whole variety of information, and it will tell you when the expiry date is just in the middle. If we wish to give the customer a copy of this, we can select Back, select the printer icon in the top right hand corner, and it will print that information for you with the expiry date on the ticket, which you can give to the customer. Okay, in the next example then, we're going to look at how we would pay contactless to top a Walrus card up. So once again, we select View Card, present the card to the reader, Add Product, and Add Product again at the bottom right. We're going to select a young person's ticket in this example, £10, and we'll select contactless as the method of payment, and then we'll Add Product. Now the screen is prompting for the contactless card to be presented, so we'll remove the Walrus card for now and present the contactless card to the reader and press Continue. In this example, it's showing that the contactless payment has been accepted. We can remove the contactless card, and it's now prompting you to put the Walrus card back onto the reader. That has then been completed successfully. What has been printed here is the receipt for the ticket, for the £10 ticket, and also the card receipt at the bottom. In this example, we're going to annul that contactless payment, so we will select Annul. You can note at the top the ticket number and the method of payment here states contactless, so we'll select that and annul. Once again, confirming that that ticket is the one we want to annul, we select annul at the bottom right. It's now waiting for the card, which will be the Walrus card, so we present that back to the reader. What has now printed is the annulment for the £10 Walrus ticket that we created, that would be handed into the traffic desk, and also an annulment that would go to the passenger to confirm that no money had been taken off the card.